Hey team, what's happening? Once you got the hang 10 move down, it might be time to progress to what we'll call a roller hop. In this move, you begin from a hang 10 position and jump, not hop, up while the board and roller move under you. You land back on the board, except now you're on the opposite end. If you're ready, let's get into it. This move is founded on the understanding that you're only balanced when the roller is within the length of your feet. Focus on where the roller is rather than the board, and this move will become much easier. Maybe move the board to the side a bit so you can see the roller when you're jumping. When you're jumping from one end of the board to the other, make sure to not only jump and push down, but push forward. This will allow the board to move the roller forward and therefore be where you want it when you land. If you fail to push forward, the board and roller will not go anywhere and in turn won't be where you're about to land. So you'll just land on nothing. Remember, you're on a seesaw. Whatever side has more board, that side will go down. Pushing forward will give the side with less weight more board and keep it from touching the ground until you can land back on it again. The last point I'll make about this trick is something I've already alluded to. Spot the roller when landing rather than the board. If you need to, move the board so you can actually see the roller so you won't miss it. And there you go, the roller hop. This move is not the easiest trick in the world, but it's much simpler when you use these tips. If you need to, start out with mini hops and slowly progress to big ones. If you haven't already, please subscribe. There's plenty of more balance tricks to cover and we've only scratched the surface. Thank you for watching, good luck, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.